The Mufassirin, they say it refers to the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. And if you read Tafsir ibn Kathir, it says that the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are the most important days in the complete year. There are no days besides these 10 days which are more important. These 10 days in the full year are the most important days of the year, even more important than the last 10 days of Ramadan. But the last 10 nights of Ramadan are more important than the first 10 nights of Dhul Hijjah. Because in the last 10 nights of Ramadan is the Laylatul Qadr. Because Laylatul Qadr falls in the last 10 nights of Ramadan, the last 10 nights of Ramadan are the most important 10 nights in the full year, and the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are the most important days in the full year.